The following is a presentation to support a ban of trans fats from packaged foods. Well, you might be asking yourself, well, what is a trans fat? A trans fat is a type of fat, specifically an unsaturated fat, with respect to the number of hydrogen in it. This just means that an unsaturated fat doesn't have the maximum number of hydrogen it could possibly fit in it. In oleic acid, we could fit 2 more hydrogen where the red arrow is pointing. The trans in trans fat just refers to the shape of the fat molecule. Now there are 2 types of shapes an unsaturated fat can take, cis and trans. Cis fat will make a sideways C shape, like the orange line, and a trans fat will make a stair or chair shape. So what's the role of trans fat in the body? Absolutely nothing. Nature and humans primarily use cis fat, or the sideways C-shaped fat, to build things in our bodies. Therefore, there's no natural need for trans fat. Let's take a look at our normal arteries. They should look like the one above, nice and clear of any gunk that could clog them up. But when you eat too much trans fat, which our body doesn't use anyway, low-density lipoproteins, or bad cholesterol, will dump it all along our arteries, clogging them up. Here are just a few of the health risks caused by trans fats and bad cholesterol. They can lead to cardiovascular disease, which can cause heart attacks, and even widespread cell death, which can kill an individual. Close to 600,000 people die every year in the US due to cardiovascular disease, but 10,000 to 20,000 heart attacks and 3,000 to 7,000 coronary heart disease deaths could be prevented each year just by reducing the amount of trans fats in someone's diet. The greatest source of these harmful trans fats are packaged foods. So how can we avoid them? Check labels for the following. The number of grams of trans fats. Even if the label says 0 grams, it's not always true, so you still need to check the ingredients list. Particularly check for hydrogenated or partially hydrogenated anything. And avoid foods that have a long shelf life or a long and complicated list of ingredients. So which would you rather have? The guesswork of food label reading, or simple, healthier foods, free of harmful trans fats? Please help support the ban of trans fats from packaged foods. Click the button on the right and you will be asking Governor Jerry Brown to finish what California has already started. And you'll be supporting better health for everyone, including you.